Hello guys, this is Richard Williams Jr. here from Profits of Forex with another video for you guys. Definitely wanted to share more with you guys. If you haven't, once again, definitely like, subscribe, follow us here on YouTube. Help us out with the YouTube algorithms so that recommend more of these videos to you and other like-minded people like you just trying to learn and make trading more simplified. Because that's what we do here, guys. Trading simplified. Profits of Forex. We want to make it real simple to understand and to do. So with that being said, go over to the Facebook group and request an invite to the free group over there as well, and join the conversation with other like-minded traders like yourself. All right. So in this video, I wanted to share with you 3 price action signals in the market that I use in my own trading, guys. It's not something I don't use. I use this all the time. Price action is something that you need to understand in the market. Price action shouldn't be always your goal. You should have other levels of confluence, other levels of confirmation, because the bolder you are to take a trade, more likely you'll probably be on the more profitable side. And I'm not saying that's a guarantee, but what I'm saying is what I've learned in my past in trading is that the more confident I was in what I traded in, I was more likely right. You get what I'm saying? And on the trades I wasn't confident in, and I pulled back, and then I didn't get in a trade, and I missed out on the profit and all that. So all I'm saying is this helps you to be more bold in your trading as a trader, guys. All right. So the more tools you have in your belt, the better you are. Price action is definitely one of them. But I want to go over 3 major price action signs in the market, where the price is going up or down, that I always look at in my trading. All right. The first one is what they call a railroad. They call it a railroad track. And I have USD, CHF, guys, excuse me, USD, CHF on my chart, and I'm going to go over it more in detail. It has a couple of these signs in here. That's why I didn't do. I wanted to go here. So right here, basically what we're doing is we're looking for a railroad track. Basically is that this previous move up right here to the upside, right? We're looking for the next candle. If there's a shift in the movement, we're looking at if that candle engulfs the other one, basically swallows up the previous candle. So if it's in an uptrend and the price is getting ready to shift, we're looking for a strong bearish candle. If it's in a bearish trend and the price is getting ready to shift, we're looking for a buy candle. All right, guys. And that indicates that the movement, and not only just volume, but the movement in the market interest has shifted in the market. All right, guys. So we were now looking, okay, all right, the market is becoming a little bit more bearish than it's bullish. And as I said before, we're paying attention to here because this is indicating this is our buyer's climax. This is where all the buyers now, their buying pressure is starting to slow down. We don't want to get in the market when markets start to slow down, because most of the time you'll be on the side of the pullback. All right, guys. So what we're looking at is the indication that the market is mentally shifting to the next side. And you see it here. This is an engulfing candle, and this candle engulfs and swallows up this previous candle right here, the body of it, and price pushes to the downside for 506 pips. All right, guys. Once again, we see it here, right? Here we go, right? Price does it again. This is a railroad track. Price engulfs this previous candle. And what does price do? Price pushes to the downside for 379 pips. I can go on all day. This is a very strong pattern to look for in the market. Once again, we see it here at the price pushed up, right? We can see it in the market when price pushed up, price got ready to swing. That was another 389 pip move. All right, guys, and I'll show you one more because I already have it kind of marked up. You'll see it here. This is another move, and it's all over. That's not what I wanted to do. It's not. There we go. It's all over. Look, right there. Another strong engulfing candle swallows it up. They look like tracks together. That's why they call them railroad tracks, right? And price makes a strong move, right, to this floor. That's 796 pips, guys. And this is on the daily. Now, you can use this. This is all over. It's on the first. It's on the 1 hour, the 4 hour. It's on the 15 minutes, on the 5-minute time frame. It's on any time frame. But these type of price action candles are showing that there's a momentum shift in the market. That's why they're so powerful. Now, in the lower time frames, they might not have as much of a stronger volume as they do on the bigger time frames, but they still have value. The next price action signal I wanted to share with you guys was, let me see. Okay. All right, so it is what we call the morning star. Basically, when price is being indicated that price is getting ready to rise. That is what we're looking at. All right. So with that being said, I'm gonna go through here on USD, CHF, and let's see what we can find. So this is what we would consider to be a morning star. It's not about the move and how strong it is. I'm going to find somewhere that a big buy move is. But anywhere, the price is going to come to some strong area and it's going to reverse. These are reversal signals, right? Price comes here, creates a doji candle, an indecision candle. Price is not decided on up or down or going bearish or bullish. And the next candle is what we're paying attention to, which is a strong bullish candle pushing to the upside. Now, just that, I'm not telling you to swing trade, and if you do swing trade on the lower time frames, this might work. That's 100 pips, all right, guys. On the bigger time frames, that's a retracement, right? So guys, these price action patterns are very, very good to have in your belt. When it comes to your trading, they help amplify the way you trade. I know they do for me. And it works on the bullish side as well. As you can see, right here is another railroad track candle, but it's a bullish one, right? It engulfs the previous move candle down, then it moves up, and price moves up from here, 681 pips. All right, guys. I'm just trying to give you an idea of what it looks like, right? Now, like we were talking about the morning star, guys. This was one, but this is a good one for a buy right here. You can see it. You got your doji candle, previous move, right? And then you have a strong bullish candle to the upside, right? That's what we're looking for. And it's even more powerful of a strong level of structure, whether it's support or resistance or an area of accumulation or distribution, a level where liquidity is building up. Doesn't matter. It really works really powerful in areas such as that, because, those become areas in which you see the market have a strong reaction because, like I said, people are trading the market. So the market has habits because we have habits, right? We're looking for certain things in the market, just like everybody else. And when you see these things, you trade off of that. All right. So that's what you want to think about. But you can see it. Price has this reversal here, and price goes up 369 pips, guys. 369 pips. All right. We see it here. There's a reaction to it, and then price does it. Eventually, it comes back and retests. But you can see it right here. Let me just zoom in so I can show y'all. I want y'all to see it. See this? There you go. That is your rising star. That's your rising star. Now, if I got in here, I would have my stop back here anyway. So even if price came back here, it still went up, and I would be in profit 474 pips. All right. Now the final price action signal I want to show you is the reverse to the morning star. It's called the evening star. And these three are so powerful. You'll see them on any time frame. Like I said, anywhere on any chart. All right. This is just the way the market indicates what's the buying power and the selling power in the market, and where the market's mindset is versus buying or selling. All right. It's very important to pay attention to that, so that you're not buying when you need to sell or selling when you need to buy. All right. So with that being said, let's look for it. Okay. So this is considered to be one, but I want to find one too. So even when you see this little candle, it could be one or two of these little candles, right? But we're looking and pay attention to here. That previous move was a buy candle, right? These small candles indicate price is changing, right? But you it's really strong when you see just the one doji candle, right? And then you see a strong bullish candle, a bearish candle after that, right? And it would be the same if you saw it, like I said, with the morning star. So, bullish, reversal, and so on, right? And that being said, that's what you're looking at. And then the price does what? It moves bearish for 492 pips, guys. That's 492 pips, right? All right. Let's see if we can find another one real quick. Ooh, okay, I found one right here that I actually like. I like this one. Let me move this out the way. I don't know why this is in the way, guys. So once again, here goes your evening star, right? Evening star, and price does what? Creates an indecision candle. We can call it a hammer, different type of terminologies for that. But then price, the next candle is what we're looking at, because we want that previous candle to be what? To make this a strong signal, we need it to be bearish, right? If you reverse the same thing as if it was going up and it's trending up or whatever the case may be, you want that previous candle to be the opposite of the last momentum candle up, right? So we're looking for a bearish candle, and price does what? Creates a strong candle that comes down bearish, and we get a strong move for 230 pips, right? So guys, with that being said, this is something that I use in my trading every day. Like I said, I showed you this is actually a chart in which I'm in a trade right now. I'm in this trade on the daily right now, USDCHF for 129 pips, guys. I'm in it right now for 129 pips. And I use the same type of signal. I use the same type of pattern in all my tradings. All three of these are the major patterns that I've studied, learned, and to pay attention to in the market. And they usually are continuation patterns, or they'll show me that the market's maybe going to reverse long term and short term, but they help me in identifying where I should position myself as a trader. All right. This allows me to think a little bit more strategically. Like some things I tell my sons all the time: we don't play checkers, we play chess, right? So this is a chess move for me, right? Thinking 2 moves ahead. This allows me to think a little bit long term or short term based on what I'm seeing in the market. These are things that I believe that every person should learn. But this is to give you an idea of some of the ways I trade and certain things that you could probably maybe add into your own trading strategy, or maybe start to learn and look and perfect for yourself to see how they work for you. Go back and back test them, all that stuff. Just don't take my word for it. But with that being said, I'm going to wrap this video up. But I just wanted to share with you guys some of these different price action tools that are right in front of us. Sometimes we don't pay attention, don't notice that they're right in front of us. And this will help you, really perfect your trading. All right, guys. So if you are tuning in and haven't, like, subscribe, follow us here on YouTube. Tell a friend, comment in the comment section below. Go over to Facebook, request an invite to the free group if you have it. And if you have, we'll look forward to talking to you over there. Let us know how you think about this video. And until next time, guys, appreciate you guys for tuning in. Until next time, this is Richard Williams Jr. from Profits of Forex, where trading is simplified.